Good day, welcome to Martinez Design Revit tutorial 2023. In this tutorial, based on request, we are going to create levels. So if you have never for once subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe, be a permanent member, so you'll be getting an update. And if you have any request in Revit that is of great fact to you, you can contact us. So now we want to create a new project. So here, when we want to do things like this, I have my own personal template which I used to use. I've created this, which is Martinez Design. So let us go there and open it and see how far we can go about it. So as I've said, kindly subscribe to our channel for more updates on daily basis. So the request that member is asking of, that particular person was asking about maybe his foundation. He said he doesn't have foundation, it's a project browser. Why every other one that is using a lower level version? It does not matter the version of Revit you are using, even though in 2020, in the 2009 Revit, all those earlier versions, so things like that are meant to apply. So what you do is that when you have foundation, this is level 1, which is the same thing as the site level. So this one is what is my own personal creation, and that is what I want to explain here now. So when you go to your south elevation, what you see is this particular foundation that I have, which is negative, which is minus 1000. The normal level 0 of Revit all over, which is normal ground level, and the 3000, which is what the roof sea level that you are creating anytime you are doing a bungalow. So you can have more. So we are going to talk about that. So I'm closing this my home personal project, and I want to start another from fresh by using another project. So you can achieve it from here, but I want to close down whatsoever I want to close here. You know how to open Revit. So I'm starting from this level. I'm using metric architectural template. So okay. So now when I have this particular interface ready for my own drawing, can you see that the foundation is not there? There's no any other additional. So I want to create foundation at the same time create a roofing level. So what I do is that I want to start the project completely. So kindly subscribe to this channel one more time, so that you'll be able to follow us through every day. And if you have any requests, as I've said, please, you can bring it on. We'll do this justice to it and make it particular, publicize it for everyone to see. So now you go to your south or any elevation you have, any elevation you go to, you are going to see that this level 2 remains the same. You can adjust your level by creating it this way, by clicking on this particular one, or by double clicking on this one as well. So you press 3000. I want to adjust that and bring it to something here now. So from here I want to create this. So you click on your architecture. From the architecture, double click again, so you go to level, or your level, but you click on it like this. So you specify that okay, level is ready to be created. So you snap it to the edge, let it be snapped, and take it down, so it will be snapped to align to some certain dimensions. So I'm using minus 1000 to create what I want to create. So what did you see? It has been created. That is what you name it on its own, level 3. So you click on this one too, and you can click on this and say create similar. It's going to create another level, and you can call this one will be level 4. Now you'll be wondering, level 3, how will level 3 be below and level 4 be at above? So in this place you are going to adjust it. You can know, since you have known the name, you can rename it from here, or I come here and come and rename it. So let's rename one from here. Double click, let your mouse be at the level 1, at the levels like text. So you double click on it, so it will bring this to you, this small dialog. Then you test it that okay, you want to create foundation. So then you click outside, and it will ask you question. You can decide to say you don't want to be showing this message again. Let me do that and say yes. So foundation is being created at this point. So when you look at your project browser, you find the foundation. You look at the ceiling level, everything is there applicable. Anywhere you go on your elevation is going to be there, and you're going to continue, and that is how you create foundation. Now I want to rename this particular level 4. You know, I renamed this one from here by double clicking. What I want to do is that I want to rename it from the project browser. So you click on it, you can if you double click, you are going to go to what's it called, the project itself, and start doing. And what I want to do is that to rename. So you click on this and right click and say rename. So when you right click and click on rename dialog, then you start by doing that one. I want to change this one to roof plan. So you have done that one, just click outside and everything. To ask you the same question, just say yes, I don't want to be seeing that again. So you've done that, and just do justice to that. So when you look at your foundation, are you seeing it? And you look at your roof, you look at your level 1. So if you want to create a project, your level 1 is very important. That is where you want to do your work. So how do you do that? You click here and you create your wall. Just create a small box. Good. So like this, we have created a small thing to work on. So when you go to your south elevation, are you seeing all those things are there? So what you need to do, you can click this or go to level 1 again, because the height is too much for me. Click on level 1 again and select all instance in this view. Then from here you change the height, unconnected height, let's change it to 3000, or you can decide to say you want to align it to from level 1 to level 2. It's not going to be taller than that. So when you look at it from level 2, when you look at this from can you see it snap to this one. The more you change this side, the more the height of the wall will going on. So when you can select this one now and say select all instance again and copy. But what we want to do is that when you look at it in foundation, it's supposed not to be seeing this wall. The reason why the view range is high. So this is how to change it. So you click here and search for view range. In your view range, which is what you need here, you click on it and you change this side to below the level of what you have done. That is, you did level 1000. So what you need to do is to use level 800, and from the cutting plane as well, you change it to 800 or below, something below 800. So let's use 800, and you allow it, leave it like that in this particular space and say okay. You see that it disappears. It's still there, but it's not more visible here. If you want to see it, what you don't need to do is to go to your range base underlay. So you choose underlay and you say that you want to be using level 1 to see, because if you want to do your foundation. So as you have seen it, it's there, but it's no more at the foundation level. So how do you get that done? Is go back to foundation. While you are still at underlay, you are using level 1 as your underlay. So you can now click on wall and you change the wall to normal height of like 1000. Are you getting it? So you can now change it to like 1000, and you decide to draw your wall around this. So I want to use box to do the same thing from here to here. Good. So when you go to your, are you seeing it? So this is how you do your foundation. So the same way you apply it when you are doing your, so check, if you want to know how to do the roof, check our tutorials on how to create roof on the projects that we have done. So kindly subscribe to our channel. So, and anytime you have any requests, you can take it. We will definitely do it for you and publicize it for everyone to see. So that is what we do on daily basis here to subscribe. So subscribe to our channel and follow us every day. Thanks. God bless.